When upgrading to a new phone, it's crucial to wipe your old device before selling it. A simple reset won't completely remove your data. In this video, we'll show you the top 3 methods for permanently erasing all content from your Android phone. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why erase Android phone completely before selling? Prevent access to sensitive data. Avoid unauthorized account access. Ensure FERP doesn't lock the device. Proper wiping secures your data. Provide a clean, ready-to-use device. A fully erased phone looks professional. Part 2. What to do before selling an Android phone. Disable lock. Turn off security. Remove cards. Take out SIM SD. Log out. Sign out. Disconnect. Unpair devices. Disable admins. Settings admins. Encrypt. Settings encrypt. Backup or Google Drive or Mobikin. Remove payment. Play Store payment. Check updates. Install updates. Manufacturer. Check manual. Carrier. Ask carrier. Move Google. Settings Google. Move Samsung. Settings accounts. Erase offline. Clear downloads. Part 3. How to completely erase Android phone before selling. No privacy concerns. This method will permanently erase all data, making recovery impossible. Back up your data first, then use Mobikin Eraser to securely wipe your phone before sale. Step 1. Get your Android phone linked. Begin by launching the software on your computer and connecting your Android phone to the computer using a USB cable. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow the software to identify your mobile phone. Step 2. Pick a security level. Next, select Erase on the main interface and choose a security level on the Erase All Data interface. Be aware that the subsequent steps will permanently delete all data on your Android phone, with no possibility of recovery. Step 3. Delete everything on your phone. Lastly, enter Delete in the provided box and click Erase to initiate the process. Now, patiently wait for the completion of the process, which will take a short while. After that, you can factory reset your device by following the on-screen hints. Part 4. How to erase Android phone data by factory reset. Open Settings and go to System Reset Options. Select Erase All Data. Factory Reset. Tap Erase All Data and enter your PIN if prompted. Confirm to reset your phone. Part 5. How to erase Android phone remotely. Go to the Find My Device website and log in. If location is enabled, find your phone, select Erase and confirm the action. This will wipe all data and log you out of your Google account.